Did they have some hiccup games during the season? Of course. I mean, if you're 15, if your closest person next to you is a second seed or 15 games behind you, you're going to have some memory lapse games, right? And so they had those games. But when it came to the playoffs, it was very, very few and far between. So I can't buy that as an excuse. And I mean, I know people will look back on history, but I mean, they were just a dominant team. They were the team that's like, okay, like you said, I think maybe before the season started, you're like, it's Boston. And if they lose, I'm paraphrasing what you said, but you're like, it's a problem because they should not lose anybody. And they didn't lose anybody.